Today we will be making a super quick and easy recipe that's healthy and also very tasty as well. So all you're going to need is some sprouts. I'll show you how to make them in the description box. Some chopped tomatoes, some chopped onions, and potatoes. So I'm going to go ahead and add some water in the pressure cooker with the potatoes, add some salt, and pressure cook the potatoes for at least 2 to 3 whistles. Once they're cooked, I go ahead and mash them together. Then you're going to need some mint or pudina. Then we're going to go ahead and blend all this together to make a paste. You're going to need some chaat masala. If you don't have any at home, here's how you can make some. To a vessel, add some oil. Once the oil is heated, add some jeera or cumin seeds, then some mustard seeds, some hing, and then go ahead and add your chopped onions. Once the onions are translucent, you're going to go ahead and add your tomatoes and some ginger garlic paste. Then once the tomatoes are soft, add your sprouts and add some water. Then add some turmeric, some salt as per your taste, and mix. So now I'm going to add the pudina mixture or the mint mixture that we just made. We're going to stir. Then cook this mixture for 10 minutes. Then I'm going to add my mashed potatoes and mix. And let it cook for about a minute. Then I'm going to go ahead and add some red chili powder and some sugar to balance out the sour taste, and some of the chaat masala. So I'm going to mix this real nice, and I'm going to place the lid and cook the mixture for 5 minutes. And that is it. All you need to do is serve it with some onion and squeeze some lemon on top. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up, the bell icon, and the subscribe button to know when I post next. Also, share if you like my videos.